Hi everyone. Okay. Um, Today we are going to see this Kubera Pattu sarees. Kubera Pattu soft sarees. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes for the people to join and we'll start seeing the sarees. So Varalakshmi Puja we already on Friday has started. So for all the 4 Fridays. Uh, for all the 4 Fridays, people will be celebrating. So we are bringing in some new collection. Koncham late అయింది, but yeah, people will be celebrating all the 4 Fridays కాబట్టి we'll be seeing some collection of sarees. So I have some almost I have clubbed all the. This is new collection which I am showing, and I have clubbed some of the old collection also in this video. So whoever wants to buy, they can buy. These are Kubera Pattu Kanchi soft sarees. So I'll start showing the collection. This is saree number 1 in the golden rani pink color with the parrot green color border. I'll be showing you the design of the saree. So this is the design of the saree. This is the back side of the saree with full zari weaving. On the border of the saree you will be having the flower booties with the parrot green background border. So this is how it is. Parrot green golden rani pink with the parrot green color. This is the pallu you'll be getting with the mango design and with the tassels, and these we can ship immediately, so you'll be getting on or before Friday, depending on the location of depending on your location. The price of this sarees is 2350. Okay, this is saree number 1, and we have some 8 colors in this catalog. All are like very beautiful color combination. Okay, blouse. Blouse you will be getting a zari weaving in the green color as that of the border and the pallu. This you will be getting the brocade blouse with the flower booties. So this is saree number 1, pink with the green color combination. The price is 2350. These are very soft and easy to carry Kubera Pattu sarees. This is saree number 1. This is saree number 2. Saree number 2 is in the grayish blue color with the pink color. This is a very nice and a very cool color combination, and the zari is also in the shining pattern. So these are all nice zari weaving all over. So this is color number 2, nice grayish blue color with the rani pink color borders. So this is how it looks. This is a very pretty and a new color combination as well. This is the border you will be getting with the flower border in the pink color. So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. On the body you will be having the small booties. You can see here on the side you will be having the small booties. These most of the people will be Telugu kabatti itla pettu gift ivvadaniki, to gift any people, or to put to the Varalakshmi Devi, so it will be very good. So this is the blouse, the brocade blouse. You will be getting it in the contrast color. Okay, ఒకసారి నువ్వు బ్లౌజ్ పట్టుకో పెట్టు లోపలికి పెట్టు. So this is the blouse. పట్టుకో grey, bluish grey. So this is like a cross weaving color. You will be having the tinge of grey and the blue color also. So that is a dual tone shade you will be getting. You can see the dual tone, the blue and the grey color as well. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. You will be getting it in the nice mango design with the tassels. The price is 2350. These are new collection. Okay, this is saree number 2, color number 2. The price is 2350. Next, green. So all the color combinations are very fancy and trending color combination we have picked. This complete catalog has a very good color combination. So this is in the peacock blue combination. This is peacock green and peacock blue color combination. So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. These are all the new catalog which I am showing. This is in the peacock grown. So this is also in the dual shade. You can see you will be having a shiny zari color cross weaving. So you will be having this dual tone. This is how it looks. So the blouse you will get it in the contrast color, violet color with the brocade blouse you will be getting. Okay, This is how it looks. Yeah, the price is 2350. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Pallu, this is the pallu you'll be getting. Pallu is in the mango design. Okay. Yeah. Maybe next color, yellow, yellow. This is how it looks when you put the steps and all. Peacock green and the peacock blue color combination. The price is 2350. So next is in the yellow pink color combination. So this kind of saree I wore in one of my live sessions. So people have asked for this yellow pink combination. So you can go and check back in the IGTV that which saree I wore. So this is a similar kind of saree in the yellow pink color combination. Yeah, this is how it is. The price is 2350. Yeah. The pallu is again in the pink color. I have already shown on the back side, Jyoti. You can check the video once again when I post it. So this is the pallu in the nice rich Rani pink pattern you will be getting. This is in the yellow and the pink color combination. You can see again this is in the back side for the saree. So all these sarees are for just 2350. These are all Kanchipuram softy pattu sarees. The blouse you will be getting it in the Rani pink. The blouse you will be getting it in the Rani pink. On the back side, back side blouse. Okay. This is the back side of the blouse. These are all very lightweight and very easy to carry. For this puja and all, it will be very grand if you put to the other people, or you can gift to the people. Most of the people are gifting purpose they are taking. So these are very ideal and for gifting, and also looks very rich and elegant. So this is in the yellow and the pink color combination. The price is 2350. Yes, these are all very lightweight. Next is a very pretty color combination, orange with the green color. So this is also one of the rare color combination only. Okay. So this flower border you will be getting. This is with the orange with the green color combination. People have asked a lot before also, orange with the green color combination. So in all the colors we are having only limited quantity, limited pieces in all the sarees. So whoever wants to book, they can book and we can ship immediately. So if you are aiming for this coming Friday or next week Friday also. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Brocade zari weaving in the pallu color you will be getting in the contrast color. Okay, this is in the orange with the green color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu with the tassels. So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. Whoever telling that you are getting for 1600, yes, you can go and buy there if you are getting for the same quality, because the weaver itself doesn't give it that price, whoever is giving us this. So all the qualities are not same. The pictures might be same, but all the qualities are not same. Please have an eye and you can buy if you are willing for the second quality. Okay, so this is the second one. This is the next one. It is black look alike. So this is in the dark navy blue with the red color combination. So this is dark navy blue with the red color combination. So this is how it looks. What for zari weaving itself, not given for 1600 and all. These are very decent sarees, and for cost also they are very reasonable. Okay, this is how it looks. Dark navy blue with the cross weaving gold color. So this is how it looks. Dark navy blue, goldish navy blue with the red color combination. So this is how it is. For the look itself, I am all shooting under normal tube light which we use at home. So under this, if you see at home also, you'll get the same feel. So under this light itself, they are looking very good. This is how it looks. It's completely wedding wear and party wear also. So yeah, this is how it looks. So recently, to all for my friend's marriage, I have given to all my aunts there. Everybody is wearing these sarees, and they were looking absolutely beautiful. So I'll be sharing the picture soon. This is the pallu for this in the red. So this is in the dark navy blue, but it is like, looks like bottle green also from far because of that golden shine dual tone color. Okay, this is in the dark navy blue. This is the color with the red color combination. Okay, next is a very beautiful color, bottle green with the yellow color combination. I think very much apt for this puja time if anybody is looking for this color combination. The price is 2350. Nice traditional, full traditional color combination. This is bottle green with the yellow color combination. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu is also in the mango design. You will be getting with the tassels. These are extremely soft and lightweight. On one pleat it sits very well. You can see, you can aram se wear it on one pleat. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the self zari weaving, the brocade blouse, yellow color. Okay, so this is how it looks. A very beautiful piece. Thank you so much. So this is in the bottle green with the yellow color combination. In the previous video we have bottle green with the red color combination. So this is again a different combination. Okay, these are Kanchipuram softy pattu sarees, and I have given in the description of the video also. People call it in a different ways like Kubera, Kumbakonam pattu, anything, but I want to give you the detailings about the texture of the saree because it goes around in a different ways, in a different prices and different materials. So for this you can definitely rely on my word. These are extremely beautiful and soft and lightweight because I personally don't wear heavy pattu sarees because I can't carry it. So yeah, this is in the bottle green with the bright yellow color combination. Price is 2350. The last color combination in this catalog, this is blue with the yellow color combination. So this is the color combination. Yellow, blue. Okay. So this is blue with the yellow color combination. This is a kind of fancy color combination. Traditional color combination kaakunda, it is in the fancy tinge vastundi. Blue with the all these color sarees which I have shown, all are like cross weaving sarees. Because of that only you have this shine on the saree. Along with the background color which is blue, that gold shine is also there on the saree. The blouse is also in the lemon yellow color. Nice blue with the lemon yellow color combination. So this is the blouse. You'll be getting with the brocade weaving. So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. Nice blue with the lemon yellow color combination. So if you put the pleats also, it looks very good because this big border, it comes on your face, it reflects on your face, and it looks very good. For some people lemon yellow will suit very good. For my face also lemon yellow suits very good. So this is how it is. You can put nice pleats also. It sits like this and it don't come up like this when you put the saree. That is a big thing for us. We don't like it if it comes like stands like this, right? So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. So in this new catalog there are like 8 colors that I have shown already. So I'm just including the leftover sarees from the previous videos that I have shared. Pink and yellow. Yeah, from the previous videos that I have posted last week and before last week, some of the sarees that I have restocked, the best sellers, and also the remaining ones that I am just showing here, which are of different price ranges. The new catalog, everything is for 2350. So this saree you might have known, people who are already following if they have joined. So this is the best seller in our first video. This is for 1950. Okay, These are also Kanchipuram fancy pattu sarees. Those are all which I have shown. Those are soft sarees. These are not like tissue sarees, but they have little um, capability to stand. They are like falling type pattu sarees. So this one we have restocked. I have very limited number of pieces also. This is one of the best seller, and I have taken pre-orders also for this saree before, pre-bookings also. So now that we have restocked this again, so I'm not giving much details about this, because if you want to know the details, you can check the previous video or you can ask me. It's said on there. Okay, parallel. So this is the short pallu you will be getting, and this is the blouse. For the blouse you will be getting the border, and this is the blouse, body of the blouse. So this is in the pink and the yellow color combination. This is one of our best seller. You will be getting big border on the other side. Okay, this is how it looks. Baby pink with the yellow color combination. The price of this is 1950. Next, so the next is in the red floral, red with the violet color combination. So this also I have only one piece that I have shown in the previous video, one of the previous video. So this is it. This is not red completely. This is reddish pink, more of pink shade with the violet blue color combination. So this is how it looks. This is reddish pink with the violet blue color combination. This is a beautiful pallu you will be getting. Okay, so depending on your range, you can choose this one of for the Pelli Kuturu function also. This looks very decent. My close friends are only I have given for their Pelli Kuturu function. I will be sharing the pictures also. So this is the blouse for this and the border for the blouse. The price of thank you. No more. Yeah, people who have already purchased, please do pass your reviews here. It helps other people to buy the sarees at the good quality and at the good price too. So this is in the reddish pink color with the violet blue color combination. This is how it looks. Okay, the price is 1950. Next is in the parrot green color. And please, somebody is trying to call me. Please don't call me. My live show will be interrupted. Please do message me. I'll reach out to you later, please. Okay, this is in the radium green color with a very light pink color border. You can see onion pink color border it is. Radium pink with the onion pink border it is. So this is how it looks. This is in the radium green with the onion pink color combination. This also I have shown in the previous video. I have only 2 pieces left in this saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 1950. Okay, this is how it looks. Radium green with the onion pink color combination. This is the pallu with the zari weaving you will be getting, and this is the self weaving zari over the blouse, and this is the border for the blouse. You will get like this, the border and this. So the radium pink with the onion pink, radiant green with the onion pink color combination. The price is 1950. So the next one is in the white and the red color combination. This is also a very pretty one. You will be having the self weaving this V-shaped flower, and this is the border of the saree. Okay, this also I have shown. If anybody is seeing for Pelli Kuturu function, generally they wear white and red color for Pelli Kuturu function. This looks very good and very rich also for the photos and all, and it is also in the budget. So this is the border you will be getting with the cream and the red color combination. So this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful and a traditional saree if you want to wear for this pujas and all. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the border. So this is the blouse and chudi. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu, short pallu you will be getting. Blouse and chudi. So the price of this is 1950. So this is the blouse you will be getting in the red shade with the small red border. Okay, next. Next is in the blue and blue. So this is also one piece only I am having. Blue and blue. This also I have shown in my previous video. So I'll be making it a little quicker. So this is in the blue and blue color combination. This is also a rare color combination. Full flowers. Okay. Full flowers you will be getting it in the blue color background with the light blue color. This is like violet blue. This is light blue. Okay. This is how it looks. It's a very nice one. Blue and blue color combination. The price is 1950. Okay, this is how it looks. And the short pallu, this is the short pallu. In middle, this is the partition if you are confused, and this is the blouse. Full body, this is the body of the blouse, and this is the border of the blouse. So this you will be getting like this. Okay, the price is 1950. Blue and blue color combination saree. Next is in the maroon with the yellow color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. This is also a very traditional saree in the yellow and the blue color combination. Hey. Yellow and blue color combination. So this is how it looks. Okay, maroon with the yellow color combination. You'll be having a big border for the saree. You can either use it for lehengas or gowns also if that is your interest, or you can wear it as a saree also. Nice shiny maroon color with the flower design with the yellow color. See, the border is also very big. You can use it for saree, and next you can stitch it as a gown also. This is the different kind of blouse you will be getting. Blouse is in the silver tone with the yellow color. Nice shiny blouse with the yellow color border you will be getting. The price is 1950. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu and the blouse are in the same pattern. Next, this is also this Goldie saree. This people have given me back the reviews also. This is a beautiful and a rare color combination. Gold with the white color border. Okay, these are all Kanchipuram soft fancy pattu sarees. Not like very falling type. It just sits on you, but it is not like tissue again. So this is in the rare color combination. Gold with the white color border. Okay. So this is how it looks. Gold with the white color border with the flower design here. You can check my previous videos also. I have given a nice detailing about this sarees. The price of this is also 1950. So this is how it looks. Okay, next I think. So this is the blouse. Blouse also self you will be getting. So this is the border for the blouse. So you will be getting like this. The price is 1950. This Goldie saree. So with this 1950 sarees we have seen, and now we are going to see this in Melody Pattu. I have shown in the Softy Pattu sarees. So those collection also remaining ones I am just showing it. So whoever wants to buy, they can buy if they are interested. So this is with the elephant border. This is all in the silver zari. Before all we have seen in the gold zari. This is in the nice nice pink color with the dark navy blue. It is not black. This is in the dark navy blue. You will be getting the flower booties all over. So okay, this is how it looks. Nice magenta pink, magenta baby pink kind of mixed shade with the dark navy blue color. On the other side you will be getting this border. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu. I have a separate videos also for this. If anybody wants, they can. Yeah. So the blouse you will be getting it in the pallu color. The brocade silver weaving blouse you will be getting. The price of these is also 2350. So there are different price range sarees I am showing. Just make a note which one you wanted to place order. So this is in the pink and the dark navy blue color combination. Blouse we have seen. This is the pallu. Pallu is also nice design you will be having. Yeah. So these are again very soft Melody Pattu kind of sarees. These are very soft and very flowy Pattu sarees. The price is 2350. In that another color, nice candy orange with the violet color border. So this is also people have taken in bulk also sarees for their relatives, friends, gifting purpose and for puja purpose also. Who have taken, if anybody is watching this live video, please do pass your comments here. This is in the candy orange with the violet blue color combination. So this is the border. You will be getting it in the elephant design. Blouse you will be again getting it in the violet color. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. So this is the blouse in the violet color combination. Orange with the violet color combination. So I'm not putting steps properly. So this is how it looks, candy orange with the violet color combination. The price is 2350. Next. Flower design on it. So this is in the flower design, nice parrot green, radium parrot green with the pink color combination. Same the elephant design borders you will be getting. So this is the flower butta on the saree. Okay, this is in the parrot radium green with the pink color combination. This is all in the silver zari. So the blouse also you will be getting it in the pink color. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 2350. These are Melody Pattu in Kanchipuram style only. This is Melody Pattu sarees. So this is how it looks. The price is 2350. And this is the pallu. Pallu also you will be getting it in the pink color. Next. In this design, this Melody Pattu, in this design, this is the last one. In the silver zari, blue. This is dark sky blue with the orange color combination you will be getting. Yeah, I'm always trying to give you the best quality products only. Once I touch and see with my hand, once I get the stock, then only I'm giving you the product, so we build a good relationship for the customer and the with us. So these are all extremely very good and good quality products for this worth price. Okay, this is in the blue and the orange color combination. So for this also you'll be having a big border, that is the elephant border you'll be getting, and this is the pallu. Pallu is again in the orange color. So almost these are all single pieces or 1-2 pieces only left, because these are from the previous videos. Just to consolidate it, whoever wants to buy for Varalakshmi Puja, I'm just consolidated and I'm showing it again. So the price of this is also 2350. Next. So this is also in Melody Pattu in a different design. The price of this is 2250. So this is in the water drop design. So this is in the peach pink with the violet color combination. So with a different border and a different saree design. So everything is in like a different one. So this is in the peach pink with the violet color combination, violet blue, ink blue. So this is in the water drop design. Blouse is again the brocade blouse you will be getting with the silver zari, the exactly complete contrast one. Okay, this is how it looks. Peach pink, what is the comment? A screenshot. Peach pink with the violet color combination. Here it is. What is this? Okay, this is how it looks. Peach pink with the violet blue color combination. Okay, this is also for 2350. Okay, this is also in 2350. This is the pallu. This is the pallu with the tassels you will be getting. Blouse to same kada. Okay. Okay, Jyoti, I took some time to read your comment and thank you so much, but it is little confusing that I thought in the first place that you are telling that our quality is bad. So anyway, what Jyoti is telling is other sites are also popping out with the same kind of sarees, but the quality is bad there, and she has just telling you that don't be cheated by them, and this site looks good quality for sure. Okay, thank you so much, Jyoti, but it took some time to understand for me. Anyways, thank you so much for passing the review. It means a lot for us. Yeah, and we are left with 3 more. I'm just wrapping it up soon. This is in the nice mustard yellow with the pink color combination. So this is also a single piece only. The price of this is 2250, 2250. So this is how it looks. Nice mustard yellow. This is all the water drop model. So in the pink color combination, here you will be getting this floral pink color there. So this is in the pink color combination. Pink color brocade blouse you will be getting, that is in the contrast. So the pallu you will be getting the tassels. This is what the pallu you will be getting, the tassels with the pink color design. So mustard yellow with the pink color combination. The price is 2250. This is again a single piece you will be having. Okay, next is in the Anand blue with the pink color combination. The price of this is also 2350. So no, 2250. The last ones which all are I am showing are 2250. Okay, this is in the blue with the pink color combination. Nice blue. Some people will like this kind of blue because that is a different kind of color combination. So this is the blouse, brocade blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. The look will be like this, blue with the pink color combination. Okay, this is with the blue with the pink color combination. This is the pallu again. Pallu with the tassels you'll be getting. The price is 2250. Thank you, Nomo. I forgot your name. I took a lot of orders from you, but I forgot your name. Thank you so much for that, passing that review. Everyone liked you. Thank you. Thank you so much. The last one is in the radium green with the pink color combination. This also we have very limited, this is also a single piece because it is from our previous video. The price is 2250. Thank you, Gautam. Thank you.
How to order mine?
You can take a screenshot of the product which you like to order and you can message me. I'll just reach out to your message once I'm done with my live video. Okay, this is in the radium green with the pink color combination. Okay, so this is the dark pink color brocade blouse you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks, radium green with the pink color combination. So these are all these water drop design pieces with the silver zari. These are all for 2250. Okay, this is how it looks. And this is the last one. We have seen new collection sarees. Hey Adi, fine. We have seen this new collection sarees as well, and the old ones also I have consolidated in this video, so it will be easy for you to shop. Okay, there is one more saree I forgot to show you. So this is a hit design, only this color is remaining in that catalog. So this is in the light lemon yellow color with the light green color combination. You will be having the elephant design and peacock design on the body of the saree. I'll just open and show you. This also I have two pieces, a single piece, one. So this is also there. The price of this the price of this is also 2350. This is only one saree is remaining in this catalog, this elephant design. So this is how it looks. I'm telling this is not a bright color combination. If you are thinking it is bright, it is a subtle color combination only. This is a light lemon yellow color with light green, light leaf green color it is. Okay, after getting, don't say that I didn't get a bright color combination, because it is not bright one. Bright one, if you want, it is there in the first catalog which I have shown you. Okay, the price of this is a 2350. This is the pallu you will be getting, and this is the blouse. Blouse is in the complete leaf green color brocade zari weaving blouse you will be getting. Okay, we also have lot of functions at home. We are also using the same sarees to give to my relatives and friends also. So at first place I am my own customer which I am using this. Okay, so this is the last one. The price is 2350, and thank you so much for joining live. And the first catalog, new catalog which I have shown, all those are beautiful color combination along with the design. Only for that color combination I have picked those catalog, because people are more concentrating on the color combinations. That is how you look. Hope you like the collections. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message. Depending on your location, we can be shipping immediately, so you'll be getting it by this coming Friday or the next Friday, depending on your availability. Thank you so much and see you soon. In next two days maybe I'm planning for some sale videos also, so just stay tuned and thank you so much. Happy Sunday.